Hello everyone. I'm going to show you right now all 5 classes that I am offering this year for the 2020 Santa's Workshop event. So I will include some details as far as the dates and times in the description here, but what I want to do is just in one spot show you all 5 of the classes. So the first one is called the Wonder of the Season Christmas Card Kit. And there are 20 cards with envelopes. Let me show you the envelope quick before I forget. See how that's a little bit metallic? It's reflecting the light a little bit. Really fun envelopes. So let me just flip through these so that you can see. And I think you'll notice there's gems. You see the light reflecting on the gems a little bit there. So there's gems on each card. Oops, I skipped one there. Gems on each card. And then the rest are made, the rest are made with a Memories and More card pack, which is really awesome because there's no stamping. So as I flip through these quickly, you'll see all of these are pre-printed cards, which make it so easy to crank out these 20 Christmas cards. There's gems on each one just to add a little bit of interest and fun. And these are $28 to do this card kit. So while there's no stamping on the front, and one more, and this one, really, you could do either way. While there's no stamping on the fronts of those cards, you could certainly use some of the greetings that I have here to put a sentiment on the inside of the Christmas card. This one would be super easy to do by mail. All of these classes, in some way or another, are available by mail. You would just have to use your own stamps and ink to put the greetings on the inside. But you would get the card bases, the envelopes, the Memories and More printed cards, as well as the gems that are on there. So that's the first one, the Wonder of the Season Christmas Card Kit. The next class is the Tag Buffet. I'm just gonna show you all of the tags here. They're so sweet. Let me show you how, like, the background piece is not connected. It just kind of overlays. And then you can see a little bit of the metallic gold on there too. So there's 6 different designs with this one. You can stamp on the back if you want to, a little to and from, as well as a verse. So these are the 6 different designs. And you have a few options with this class. You can do 2 of each of these, and that will be $15. Or you could do all 30 that come as just tags, and that would be $35. I'm looking at my notes to make sure I say the right thing. So if you want to make 12 tags, it's $15. If you want to make 30 tags, it's $35. If you want to do something a little bit different, what I'm also offering is that you can make 10 tags and 20 cards with this kit. So how that works is that you, if you chose that option, you would get card bases. So you'd get the red cardstock to add this to, and you would just attach this to the front of the card, maybe tack that down, and that's your focal point on the front of your card. Your card is done. Again, you can stamp a greeting on the inside if you want to. So the Tag Buffet kit has a little bit of flexibility because you can make a few tags, a lot of tags, or a few tags with cards. I absolutely love these tags. I think that they're just so fun. The design on there, just a really simple, I don't know how I can hold them all in the picture here, but just a really, really simple design. The gold foil on there is just something that really pops. So that is class number 2, the Tag Buffet. Class number 3 is the little treat box. Look how sweet that is. You can kind of see, it's about 3/4 of an inch wide, and maybe, oh gosh, I'm gonna estimate from here to here is about 1.5. Maybe a little bit more, maybe 1 3/4. These you can do in sets of 4. They're 4 for $5. Would be perfect for a really tiny, cute little gift in there, or a little candy treat. Great things to hand out if you just want a little favor for everyone at a gathering. You know, maybe all of your coworkers, you know, just a little something to sit on their desk, your grandkids, your kids, whatever it might be. That's just a sweet little treat box. The next thing is the gift card holders, and there's 2 options. There's the blue one and the red one. And these are 3 for $5. They both work the same way. Obviously the colors are different, a little bit of a different like designer paper, but the band slides off and then there's a pocket inside. Let me do the other one because I actually stuck that together. Band slides off, pocket inside, and that's where you put your gift card. You see it right in there. So it just easily comes in and out right here. You can also stamp like a to and from right here on the inside so that when someone opens it, the greeting is right there for them. So that's the fourth option, 3 for $5 to do the gift card holders. The fifth option is the box of cards. Always a very popular option because we often want something to give to a friend, a neighbor, a coworker, a teacher gift. So this makes a great gift for any of those people. This is a box of cards. It's $9. And let me pull these out so you can see what they all are. Of course, the box is decorated with that cute little tag on there. And then here are the 4 cards. So we've got this one that says, "So grateful." I think you can see from the way I'm holding it, the light catching on that foil that's in the card. And here's another, and another, and then the last, oops, I've got the envelopes with that, the birthday card here. Now with any of these cards, you can use different greetings. If you want all birthday cards or all thank you cards, whatever it might be, you can just swap out, like I'll have different greetings available. I'm trying to hold it so you can see. Oh, so I'll have different greetings available, so you can make those cards whatever you want them to be. And then they come with these cute purple envelopes too. So that box of cards is $9. So whatever you decide you want to do for Santa's Workshop this year, make sure you contact me to reserve your spot. You can do like 2 boxes of cards, a set of 4 treats, and the Christmas card kit. Or you can do the tag kit and the gift card holders. You can do whichever classes you want to do, and you could do as many sets of them as you want to do, okay? Like I said, pretty much everything is available by mail. The only thing, per Stampin' Up! Policy, I cannot include stamped images in your kit, so you would need to use your own stamps and your own ink. Of course, you can order exactly what I used, or you can use things that you already have at home, whatever works best for you. So if you are interested in my Santa's Workshop event for this year, be sure to contact me to reserve your spot. Let me know which classes you would like to do, and I'll get you on that list. It's not happening until November, so we've got some time, but at the same time, I need to get things ordered and prepped and all of that. So let me know if you're interested to attend in person, or if you want to, if you're local, if you want to stop by and pick up any of the class supplies, or if you need me to mail them to you, I'm happy to do that too. Of course, there'll be a little bit of a mailing fee added on, but I can easily do that as well. So please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope to see lots of you at my Santa's Workshop event. Have a great day.